I was on YouTube. Watch TY38. Detail World, what it do, man. We done got here just first stop out here in Bellmead, Tennessee, and we actually working on this Lexus right here. I think this is a Lexus NX. She said something. She said she just got it. You know what I mean? It's basically a nice car. This is a Lexus RX 500H. It's a pretty cool car. The interior of the car is pretty dope. I'm loving the red interior. Pretty dope red interior. Got the red seats, red piping, red on the door. I'm loving this right here. Little suede Alcantara kind of look. I'm loving the curve of the speedometer or the menu area. Pretty decent radio, regular speedometer, things like that. But this is an F Sport, so it's pretty fast, she said. But that red is pretty cool. I like the red lining around the mats, things like that. Got a full sunroof. But the car came out well. We finna finish here. We got 2 more cars to do here. I'm finna have them bring out the other one, man, so we can get it cracking. We got a pretty busy day today, but y'all already know how that go, man. We take so much pride in the work we do over here at Yo Mobile Car Care Service. So I hope you take pride in whatever you're doing. I left my stick in my car because I was doing a little videography work last night to hold the camera better. But y'all already know how it go, man. I'm gonna continue to be great. You continue to be great, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Detail World, what it do. We still at the first appointment. We're doing the second car, man. We got it knocked out. It's this Dodge Ram TRX. This thing is a beast. Like when I say a beast, man, I'm telling you, this thing flies. You got that supercharged whine. So, you know, on that note. But we got the whole car completely done. Didn't shine the tires, but you know it is what it is. We already did the interior of the car. We made sure we wipe down the seats, wipe down the doors, vacuum, get the door jams, did things like that. Our next stop probably about 10-15 minutes from here. So we're about to go ahead and hop in the car, head to the next stop, get it done, man. We still got 3 more appointments to do after this. But after we're done with these 3 appointments, we'll be done for the day. We gotta go take my son to get his hair cut. Also gotta go take the kids. We went to the fair yesterday, so we definitely take my son, get his hair cut, and then I gotta go shoot a podcast later. But like I said, we got the whole car done. You see it got the stickers everywhere. But on that note, like always, man, continue to be great, man. Do what you gotta do so I can do what I gotta do. And if you're new to the channel, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. I really appreciate y'all, man. We see them numbers going up. Once we got to 500, we got to 600 tremendously fast. Hopefully we'll be at 1,000 even faster. But let's keep on going up. We ain't gonna stop, man. Y'all already know how the grind go. And I'm gonna catch y'all later. Peace. Detail World, what it do. And I just lost my shoe because I'm wearing flip-flops. But once again, we out here at the second stop, third car today. We're doing this Porsche Cayenne. About to go ahead and work on the interior first. This is a new customer, so we really got to get it clean. But you look at the exterior of the car, it's a little dirty, just a few bugs on the exterior. But if you look at the wheels are very dirty, very heavy, very dusty. Look at that right there. Definitely gonna come clean, but it's definitely gonna take a little time. But we're gonna make sure we get inside the rear well, get the side panels, and you know the whatever. I can't even think right now. But anyway, we're gonna work on this interior first. Like I said, if you look at the interior, definitely need a nice little sprucing up. Got a little dirt here in there, so we gonna make sure that we get in here. We already got some of our utensils. We already got the brushes out and stuff like that to help get on the sides of the seat, stuff like that. We got our makeup brush that helps to get in little spots like here, the little corners, to get in there, stuff like that to help do, stuff like that. So we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking. Like I said, we're gonna work on this interior first. We already got the vacuum out with the towels, the degrees over there. But like I said, the car's pretty dirty. Already got the mats out, stuff like that. We still got 2 more cars for the day. So we're trying to hurry up and get done, because I gotta take my son to get his haircut and things like that. But y'all already know, man, stay blessed, stay dedicated. I know y'all probably like, why you holding the camera like that? But I don't have my stick that I usually hold the camera with, so I'm not really used to holding it with my hands. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking. And like always, I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Detail world, what it do, man. We got this Porsche Cayenne completely done in and out. Got the car looking immaculate. You remember what it looked like in the interior? It was a little bit dirty. But we running a little late, so y'all gotta excuse me that I'm talking a little bit fast. I need to get to my next job on time, because like I said, I still got other things to do today. So you see the interior of the car. Car looks amazing, immaculate. They're gonna be happy with the service like always. But y'all already know, man, we take so much pride over here in Your Way Mobile Podcast Service. And I hope you take pride in whatever you're doing, man. Remember, stay positive. Don't let the negativity get to you, and you will rise above everything that you want to. And I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace.
Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY 38.